Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make organic shampoo at home. To begin, gather your core ingredients. You'll need a gentle liquid castile soap, which forms the base of your shampoo. Next, select a carrier oil like jojoba or almond oil to add moisture. Finally, choose essential oils for fragrance and added hair benefits. This simple approach ensures a natural product. Now, let's mix your shampoo. In a clean bottle, combine 1/4 cup of liquid castile soap with 1/4 cup of distilled water. Next, add 1 tablespoon of your chosen carrier oil, such as jojoba or argan oil, for extra conditioning. Finally, incorporate 10 to 15 drops of essential oils like lavender or rosemary. Gently shake to combine all ingredients thoroughly. Customizing your shampoo is easy. For oily hair, add a few drops of tea tree oil. For dry hair, increase the carrier oil slightly. The main benefit is avoiding harsh chemicals, sulfates, and artificial fragrances found in many commercial products. Your hair will feel cleaner and healthier. Remember to store your shampoo in a cool, dark place for optimal freshness. Here are some final tips and troubleshooting advice. Always shake your shampoo bottle gently before each use to ensure ingredients are well mixed. If your hair feels a bit greasy after washing, try reducing the amount of carrier oil in your next batch. Conversely, if it feels too dry, add a little more. For more great content and to explore other deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check out the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.